Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to download Apple Music on laptop. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So if you're using Windows, you just have to go to your Microsoft Store, go to the Start menu and then search for Microsoft Store right here. Tap on Microsoft Store and then make sure you're logged in to your Microsoft Store account. Click this one. Now on the search area or search bar, you have to look for Apple Music. So type here Apple Music. It will just show up this one. Click this one right here. And then you just have to simply tap on Get. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is installing. Once done, you can now open the Apple Music application, agree with the terms and condition, tap on Agree, wait for a couple of seconds again, and then it will take you directly to the Apple Music application. Here, you can now sign into your Apple Music account. So sign in with your Apple ID. If you're new, you can start a free trial or subscribe. And then lastly, you can start listening, browse songs, albums, and playlists. You can also download songs for offline listening if you have a subscription. So that's how easy it is to download Apple Music on laptop or PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.